Hey guys, John here from Bring the SEO. Today I'm going to give you a look inside the SEO Accelerator program. I've had dozens of emails and messages over the last couple of weeks with people asking questions about the program. What's included, how much it costs, what can I expect when I enroll. So I figured this might make for a good video. So what you're about to see are all of the main areas of the SEO Accelerator program: the private community, all of the training, the types of classes and lessons, the events calendar, all of the group coaching calls, the weekly live classes, all of the downloadable resources and everything else. Okay, let's jump in and start with the community. This is where the community resides. Everything is structured and organized. I have dedicated sections for all types of discussions. The community section up the top here, community rules, announcements, introducing yourself, general discussion, teaming up or partnering with another member inside the group to keep each other accountable. A lot of the members like doing practice sales calls and role play in here. Celebrations, I encourage all of the members to share their wins because that helps encourage and inspire other members. Off topic, which is just a section for general conversations, and then feedback and suggestion. Then, of course, a dedicated section for sales and marketing. Anything and everything to do with lead gen and sales is all in here. Finance and legal, on-page and technical SEO, link building, off-page, everything is all built out into their appropriate sections. All right, so this is where everything is set out. Just to give you a quick look inside the general discussion section, as you can see, the community is very active. We get a lot of conversations going on in here. Okay, let's now move on to the training. This is the LMS. This is where all of the training, the modules, the classes and lessons reside. And I should probably point out there's over 300 odd training videos in here. And these aren't just theoretical, watch a video and move on. There's a lot of live demonstration, or not live demonstrations, but actual demonstration videos and action items in here as well. Building a team, escaping fulfillment, revenue-focused SEO, economics, how to charge, handling payments, choosing a profitable niche, defining clients. This module 8 is very popular. This is where I get into lead gen using Facebook ads, paid media. I do have organic strategies as well. So if you're, struggling to get clients, you'll find this extremely valuable. I cover sales as well. I go through sales in depth. I cover not only the business side and operations of running an agency, but I also get into technical SEO as well. So site restructuring, tracking using GA4, keyword research, content, off-page optimization. I go into everything. Reporting, campaign closeout. I cover absolutely everything. All right, let's now move on to, actually, I'll show you real quick just what the lessons look like. So if you go into any one of the, let's have a look in here. Go into any one of the classes. This is how the lessons are laid out. And of course, as you navigate your way through, you simply mark the lessons off. As I said, everything is sectioned out and categorized in a way which is nice and easy to navigate. Now, if you go into any one of those lessons, this is what the interface looks like. So you can watch the video, you can navigate through to the next lesson, you can mark the lesson off as completed so you know where it is you're up to. And you can also, and this is, I find this a little bit unusual, that some of the members prefer to actually read the course material rather than watch the videos, but that's entirely up to you. All right, let's now move on to the calendar. The calendar shows all of the weekly calls that are scheduled, as well as previous events. But I host weekly live calls with all of the members every Wednesday at 2 p.m. and we cover topics of interest. Typically, I do live classes where I'm teaching, but occasionally we do Q&As, regular Q&As where the members jump on and we just do a round robin of questions and answers. This is what the interface looks like in the calendar so you can see what's coming up. Now, in terms of if we go into any one of those classes which are scheduled, this is one that we did just recently, leveraging Facebook ads to get SEO clients. This is how the front end looks. I provide a brief overview of the lesson, what's going to be covered when it's on. You can RSVP for the lesson as well. And if you can't make the lesson, you can always join the discussion by clicking on discussion. This is a great option for members in different time zones. So, okay, this isn't good for me, or I'm going to be busy doing something else. I'll ask a question here. Any questions that get asked ahead of the call, I simply cover on the call. Actually, just before we move on, this is the class replay section. These are all the classes that we've done previously. Like I said, we do these every Wednesday at 2 p.m. And you can see we cover a whole range of different topics in here: niches, offers, and guarantees, leveraging Facebook ads to get clients, helping clients get more Google business profile reviews, self-confidence, Q&A sessions, reconsidering offering exclusivity, front-loading campaigns to get faster results, getting clients using cold email and Loom videos. It's all covered in here under class replay. So even for the classes that have been held, you can still jump in and watch those as well. What do the classes look like? Okay, so this is an example of a class replay. And of course, I post the video, the replay for everyone, and then for those who have a question or want to comment, they can do so below. Like I said, these classes are very interactive. Usually have anywhere between 15 to 20 members on at a time, and I take them through all of the information that's covered in that particular topic. Okay, the resources section contains all of the checklists, the planners, the slide decks, the email templates, absolutely anything and everything that you need to work your way through the training, as well as being able to apply it. And I think at the time of this recording, there's about 50 odd templates in here that are available for download. This one here is a sales presentation slide deck, and this is what you would use when you're pitching your services. So there's a quick overview of the actual resource itself. You say, okay, great, I'm going to download this because I've got a sales presentation coming up with a client. Simply download. This will copy it over to Google Drive, or if you're not using Google Drive, maybe using Dropbox, you can download a copy there as well. And you'll have that resource ready to go. And you simply just edit or amend that resource to suit your own needs. Okay, that's it for the free demo. If you're interested in signing up, be sure to follow the links below this video. You'll see the cost and everything else outlined on that page. It really is the most affordable program in this space. That's it for me. Hope you've enjoyed the demo. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video and you'd like to learn more, head over to bringtheseo.com. We provide business development training for SEO consultants wanting to improve their processes, increase profits, and scale to $100,000 a month or more without all the stress and overwhelm.